After making the loft, you can also use the start and end constraint for the loft. Suppose if I see from the top view, this is one profile and this is the top profile, another profile. So by using these two profiles, I will create the loft. So this is my loft, and if I see from the top view, this surface will be the angled and it is the straight angle. So if I want to control this angle, so I can use the start and end constraint. If I see from this view and if I go to start and end constraint, to start constraint, there are two options. One is directional vector and otherwise normal to profile. If I select normal to profile, for the start constant, that means I selected this profile first, so this will start from here. So this is that drag handle. By using this drag handle, I can control this normal to profile. If I move furthermore, you can see this is changing here. And if you move more, it will fail. So I am reducing this again. And I can also change the value from here. And you can see there is another button, that is reverse. If I put the reverse, I can also make in the reverse direction. And if you want, you can also apply this normal to profile to the individual point. Suppose this is that point, apply to all. If I uncheck this thing, you can see there are three drag handle here. This drag handle is active now. So if I apply to, this will be applied to here. And if I select this drag handle and if I apply 0.2, so this is the result. So I can also control this normal to profile from the individual point by unchecking this apply to all. So for this example, I will check apply to all and I will put this to 1. And if I go to the bottom, this end constant, if I see from this drop down menu, there is directional vector. That means for the first profile, I used normal to profile, which is normal to the profile. Now I can use any direction. For the direction, you can use any model, any curve, anything. I will use this sketch. If I select this direction, you can see I can also control on this direction. I can also increase by this way or decrease by this way, or I can also control from individual point by unchecking apply to all. There are three drag handle here. So by this two-way normal to profile and directional vector, you have full control on this part. If I press OK, you can see I can have more control on the loft. For the second one, I am putting none. And for the first one, normal to profile is okay. Now, if I want to add the draft angle, how do I add that thing? You can add the draft angle from here. This is the draft angle. You can increase the draft angle from here. You can see this is the preview. If you make any plastic part, you must need the draft angle. Or if you think you need in reverse direction, you can check this box. When I will press A, I can get my result.